Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to view just one page at a time on Microsoft Office Word. The first step that you have to do is open your Microsoft Office document. Then follow these simple steps. So to view the pages just uh, just one page at a time, there are two possibilities. First of all, if it was in this way, all you have is to zoom your page. Uh, uh, excuse me. All you have to do is go to the view menu, and here you will find the views and you will find the page movements. First of all, make sure that you are in the print layout mode, so it will be colored with the dark gray color. Here you will find the page movement. Now, as you can see, our page movement mode is side to side. Now we wanted to be vertical. So this is how you can see just one page at a time. If it was in this mode, for example, uh, as you can see here in the uh, here in the bottom, in this tab here, you will find the three modes of reading in Microsoft Office Word. If it was this way, all you have is to print the layout. To click on print layout mode, so it will show only one page time. Or you can go to the view menu here in this ribbon, and you will find here in the zoom section, you will find here one page or multiple pages. So if even if it was the print layout and the vertical mode, or page movements and views are on these modes, and still you are seeing multiple pages, all you have is to go to the zoom section here and you will click on one page. So this is how you show or you view just one page at a time in Microsoft Office Word. Thank you for watching and goodbye.